Would you just look at that?
Would you just look at that?
Would you just look at that?
All right, so would you just look at that? Check out his videos, and I'll put up a link. There's a link right there on the video, so you guys can just go straight to it.
It's real clean. You can work on it.
She's still trying to figure out who I am. She's like, who is this guy dressed up like a cop? What is going on?
I like your hat.
Thank you. You like my hat?
Yeah.
Here, try it on.
I wear it. Oh my god.
There you go. Pull it off.
Okay.
Oh my god, would you just look at that?
Oh, look at that. There you go.
Look at that.
Yippee-ki-yay.
Yippee-ki-yay.
How old are you?
19.
Wow, you're 19. All right.
Do I look young
No
or old?
comment, no comment.
Oh, no
I'm
comment.
54, I'm going to get myself in trouble.
You look old.
You look good, girl. You look good.
Okay, well,
You want it back?
Yeah.
Your head must be cold without that hair.
Yeah, thanks a lot. Oh, she just cut on my hair now. I'm getting all beaten up over here. All right, this is pretty cool. Thank you, guys. Thank you, guys. Very cool. There is a Mustang fan.
I'll be waiting on the video.
All right, yeah, it's coming out tomorrow.
Awesome.
All right, I'll give you a card. All right, I gotta apologize to those guys. I was out of focus. I gotta wear my glasses when I'm actually shooting video from now on. I apologize for the out of focus, guys, but you guys are cool, and we're gonna see them on Saturday at Caffeine and Chrome at Gateway. Hopefully, I'm in focus nowadays. Jeez Louise. At Gateway, Philadelphia Gateway Classic Cars in West Deptford on Saturday. So I hope to see you guys there. And again, I'm sorry you're out of focus. I know you're watching the video, go, oh, I'm out of focus. I gotta wear my glasses. Again, another reminder that I'm getting old. How do you feel about getting old, Rich? Well, you're 30, so you're not old either. Mustang, let's go. I don't know what happened, but it didn't come in, the audio on this. I'm having a great conversation with Sarah. She's just telling me all the things that she's doing in her life. And of course, I'm telling her about you guys and the fact that she is actually live on Instagram with me, and I was recording it. But something went on, and it didn't record the vocals, unfortunately. But this is my beautiful daughter, and this is me telling her how special she is. And she's waving to you guys. I have to narrate this through because, Sarah, I'm sorry, there was no audio, but I'm too proud of you to not show you on video, even without audio. But it was a great conversation, and I'm sad that you guys didn't hear it, but we'll do another one. She's saying she loves me back, and then now she's going to say something to you guys, and she's saying hello and goodbye, and there she goes, my beautiful 13-year-old daughter. And she's smiling. I love her so much. There you go, Sarah. You got on. Sorry about the audio. We'll fix it later.